If you're looking for great visuals and great performance without compromises, then what you're looking for is an OLED monitor. The ASUS ROG Swift PG32UCDM is more than likely the monitor for you. Now let's start with this monitor's image quality. Since this is an OLED monitor, you can expect gorgeous visuals. At 32 inches and a screen resolution of 4K, we get a pixel density somewhere around 140, resulting in a very crisp image. OLED monitors also get a basically infinite contrast ratio, which means true or perfect blacks as well as bright highlights. When it comes to brightness, this monitor can reach a peak of 1000 nits, which is pretty bright, and it's more than capable of displaying HDR content if that interests you. All in all, the visual quality is awesome with this monitor, and it's more than enough for watching movies or shows or even for gaming. Now let's talk about the performance. OLEDs perform very greatly since they have among the best performance out of all monitor types. With the ROG Swift, you can expect response times of just under a millisecond on average. That's very fast, and it's pretty important for competitive gaming. The monitor also gets a refresh rate of 240 Hz, which is very smooth, and is also particularly important for competitive or fast-paced games like Valorant. Apart from gaming, the high refresh rate also makes general use of the monitor feel much smoother. If you're worried about screen tearing, this monitor has you covered with NVIDIA G-Sync as well as AMD FreeSync Premium Pro. Now let's briefly go over the connectivity. This one has two HDMI 2.1 ports, a DisplayPort 1.4, a USB Type-C port, a USB Type-B port, 3 USB Type-A ports, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Now, how much does this monitor cost? Right now, this is priced at $1,135 and some change. It's definitely ever so slightly cheaper than its original price of $1,300. Looking at the 3-month price history, we can see that this monitor has been priced under just $1,000. I have a feeling the ROG Swift will go down in price soon, so keep an eye out. I would definitely get it at $1,000 or less. You can check its current price by clicking on the link in the description box below, or simply you can just scan this QR code to check it out on Amazon right now. As for my thoughts on this OLED, well, it's great overall. You don't really sacrifice picture quality for performance or the other way around. If you're worried about OLED burn-in, this monitor has a custom heatsink made by ASUS themselves, which really helps reduce the risk of burn-in. But generally speaking, burn-in does not happen so often unless you take care of your monitor. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!